Oh, there you go.
Ask me a question, Tom. Do it right now. Ask a question.
Favorite wood to work with?
Favorite wood to work with? Sassafras.
Sassafras.
You didn't see that coming, did you?
No, I've never worked with sassafras.
I love sassafras. Sassafras is great for multiple reasons. It mills fantastic on the sawmill. It smells delicious, fresh and clean, kind of lemony. It dries flat, straight. Machine's fantastic. Just stays flat and straight.
Favorite place to visit?
Favorite place to visit, you know.
Florida. Anywhere fishing?
Anywhere there's water. Michigan, of course.
Michigan.
We
Where
love
in Michigan,
Michigan.
like the
Grand Haven, Michigan.
All right.
I've
I guess
often
down to
said
Wisconsin.
I need to be in charge. I need to be in charge of the travel tourism bureau for Grand Haven, Michigan.
Miles on this.
What? 4.5 more miles?
I'm not kidding.
We are gonna run out of GoPro power here. Trees.
Ooh, another big hawk. Wow.
Lots of hawks out here.
Lots of hawks.
My favorite book when I was a kid was My Side of the Mountain.
Yeah. Wow.
And he took on a hawk when he was out living out in the wild.
Was that?
Did you read My Side of the Mountain?
Is that where he gets in the tree and
Yeah.
survives? Yeah.
I love that book.
Yeah, that's an excellent book.
I don't think I've ever met anybody else that's read that book.
Yeah. Those are my favorite types of story. Like anything.
Yeah, like outdoorsy, survival, kid on his own. And I was the right age when I read it. I was probably 10 when I read it.
Yeah.
And that was like when I was ready to go out and I thought I knew everything and I could go live out in the wild.
I actually got told I couldn't do any more book reports like when I was in grade school on books like that. And then they made me do one about like Mother Teresa.
What?
It was just the most, I was like, oh my God, this woman's just so nice and just like, she's great, but
Boring?
so.
Well, we made it to our destination.
So get a top, huh?
We get the top. Oh yeah.
Here you go.
Do my side first. And push it a little further my way. I'm not on yet. Push it hard my way. There you go. Now I'm on.
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 On. Oh, it doesn't even hit.
Wow.
Hey.
Perfect.
That's what we want. Good job. Oh, there you go.
That's beautiful.
Good. I found the maple syrup.
Oops.
I also learned with the GoPro not to have my hand right here.
The knuckle shot. The hairy knuckles. Just shave your knuckles.
I just waxed my knuckles.